We landed in Haifa, and I was immediately approached because of my British Army background. I should go into an officer's training course. I wanted to do what I could to help. I didn't want to get killed, so I said no, thank you, because I knew the young officers, in Israel, in Hebrew it's called an MM. I opted not to take that, and the army was still totally casual. There were no uniforms, and I contacted my old friend Jacob, who was at that time, by sheer coincidence, in the camp where we were both trained as recruits for the British Army. That had become a big camp for the emerging Israeli army. He said, "Why don't you come?" I took a bus, and he introduced me to the company commander. And when he heard my background, he said, "Yeah, we could use you. We need a quartermaster." So I had no uniform, no rank. We slept in barracks, male and female. It was like a kibbutz. And I became the regimental quartermaster of the Gedut Moria, which was a very respected fighting regiment. We, at that time, but actually when I joined, it was part of Palmach, which was the commando of the Israeli army. But again, I survived without getting into any actual battles.